English lesson, present perfect tense. Welcome back to Fluent English Classroom. In this lesson, we will explore the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to talk about actions that started in the past and continue to the present or have just been completed. By understanding and practicing this tense, you'll be able to express experiences, accomplishments, and connections between the past and the present. Let's dive in. The present perfect tense is formed by using the auxiliary verb have, in different forms, and the past participle form of the main verb. For example, I have lived in this city for 5 years. She has studied English since childhood. They have just finished their homework. The present perfect tense emphasizes the result or outcome of an action rather than the specific time it occurred. It connects the past to the present and helps us express experiences that shape who we are. Now, let's explore the structure and usage of the present perfect tense in more detail. To form the present perfect tense, we use have or has followed by the past participle form of the main verb. Here are some examples. I have traveled to many countries. You have seen that movie before. He has written a book. She has eaten lunch already. We have studied English grammar. We use the present perfect tense to talk about experiences, achievements, actions with indefinite time in the past, and actions that have just been completed. Let's explore some common time expressions used with the present perfect tense. Time expressions like for, since, just, already, and recently are often used with the present perfect tense to provide additional context. Here are some examples. I have lived in this city for 5 years. She has been studying English since childhood. They have just finished their homework. He has already visited that museum. We have recently started a new project. These time expressions help us understand the duration, starting point, or recency of the action. Now, let's practice using the present perfect tense in context. Let's practice using the present perfect tense through some exercises. I will provide a sentence, and I want you to complete it with the correct form of the verb in the present perfect tense. Ready? Here we go. They travel to many countries. I never try sushi before. She live in this city for 3 years. He finish his project just now. We already study for the exam. Take a moment to think about your answers, and when you're ready, we'll review them together. Let's check the answers. They have traveled to many countries. I have never tried sushi before. She has lived in this city for 3 years. He has finished his project just now. We have already studied for the exam. Well done. Remember to use the present perfect tense to express actions that started in the past and continue to the present or have just been completed. Practice is key to mastering this tense. Congratulations! You've learned about the present perfect tense and how to use it to express ongoing actions or completed actions with a connection to the present. Remember to pay attention to the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle form of the main verb. Practice using the present perfect tense in conversations and written exercises to reinforce your understanding. English lesson, present perfect tense, practice makes perfect. English lesson, present perfect tense, practice makes perfect.